Hi guys, how are you guys doing? So I said I was going to give you guys my review. Here it is. Now I'm using my old phone, the front camera, because my other phone is dead. So I hope the quality is good enough. Otherwise, do tell me, I'll record another one another day. Or you guys just put some filter on it and some music. It's going to be nice, eh? All right, let's get into it. So for anybody that is thinking about investing in the COA program, this is what I would say. I would say just do it, go for it. I know people are thinking about the investment, the money that you're putting in, because that's what I thought about. But it's always a matter of, is the money that you're putting in going to be worth what you're going to get out? And in this case, for the COA, I would definitely say 100% yes. For me so far, I've made 13K. So I'm in the 10K club. Yes, these things are real. I thought, in the beginning when I saw other people's testimonials, I was like, is this real? Do people really get this? Or, but it is real. So I've made 13K so far, but I feel like without even making the money, and I've been in the COA, by the way, like 3 months. So without even making the money, the thing that is super valuable is the information in the program. That's what you're paying for. Literally the first week after joining the COA, once I start going through the modules, I was like, yeah, this is totally worth the investment. And as I've gone, it's been totally worth it. The thing that is super good is the support is really, really nice. Not only do you get Q&As, but you also get the chat, and I feel like the chat is really helpful, because when you're sitting down working and you have an amount of time like 4 hours where you need to sit down and just work, and you get stuck somewhere, it's really valuable to have somebody unrelease you at that time so you can just move on. Otherwise it becomes so much blockage, and you become like, one, left behind, like you're constantly picking up days of work, so you're behind schedule. And then two, it's a frustration that adds to it. So I feel like the support has been amazing. What I've been able to accomplish with the COA that I wouldn't have been able, I probably would, but it would have taken me many, 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 many years. So I'm really happy that I just cut that straight line process, and just getting a straight line process and doing the work as it is, and having a straight line process is a lot of work. So imagine having to figure it out first and then do the work. And don't do that. Don't Why would you do that? Don't do that. All right, let me read the next question. All right, I think the only thing that I haven't answered is what made it difficult for me to join. What made me hesitant to join in the beginning was the amount. Once I heard the amount, I was like, I couldn't hear anything else, to be honest. I was like, I blockage. I have never invested so much in an online program. I've never participated in an online program. So it was like an out of concept kind of thing. But I felt it in my gut when I asked other people, when I asked my family and friends, they were like, don't do it. Don't do it. You're going to waste your money. You're going to waste your time. Listen, people, listen to your gut. Because now our sister has made more money than she has put in. So if you're serious about your business, if you really want to do it, then follow your gut, jump in, do it, get your work ethics up, and I'm wishing you best of luck.